Once again, guys, we're back with another video, and I'm with my grandpa and I'm with my dad. So, you know him as my dad. I know him as
Daddy?
Humpty Dumpty.
Oh.
And I know this guy as my grandpa. Okay. Alright, so first.
I thought that was Papa.
Okay. Italian. Alright, so first we're just gonna open up these packs. I wanna
Show them what you have.
Yeah, I got
The Japanese.
Japanese Pokemon cards. Got basketball, and we got 2 baseball cards. So we're gonna go like thin, more bigger, and then big.
What's it called?
Yeah, these are super cool. You guys can share opening up that pack. No, don't open that. Oh, that's early. Let's do this over here.
There you go.
Wait. Rather do it.
So what am I going to open?
You should share it with him. You have to share it with him. I don't know why he's not sharing it with me. I love this pack, though.
I have to be gentle with these. These are Japanese.
Yeah, really. Yeah. You already got those out. So, if we see, he got a Diglett, and he got some energies. First one, he got a Diglett. I forgot what the other names are, but nice pack, decent pack, nothing really special. But, now, my pack. How the heck do you open this? Got it, yeah. Dang it, I didn't even open it. It just worked. You don't do any of that free in the front, I guess, for trying.
There's only 5 cards.
Okay. Yeah, there's only 5 cards in each pack. First one. Trainer. I don't know, Centipede. Cool. And if you're Greek, this is Enna. Eevee!
That's a good one.
If you're in Greek, number 1, Enna. Yep, you go on that one.
Alright.
Well, how many? Okay, my dad has to leave. He has to sign our
Hey, comb his hair.
He has to comb his non-hair. Alright, let's get. I figure it out. Oh my god, I think this is actually the. Ooh, okay. Hey, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. There you go. Oh my god, Dad! Oh my god! My favorite player. Don't have annoy in the camera, just 1 second.
I don't want to pack yet. No, receiving is what I'm at. Just see the pack now.
This boy be opening up packs before I. Ooh. I already see that one. And to our last pack. Hey, this one. I really like that. That way you can pause the video if you want to read the backs of these or read so you can see. Okay, we're going to open up with this pack first. So first, by the way, I don't know any of these players. You don't know. You know? Ah!
Oh, no. Shut up.
If he's in a, if my brother's in a.
We almost had technical difficulty here.